Hello, what's up, Vechain Holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the warning of the Vechain. My friends, this is the warning for all Vechain holders. You know what? At this time, the people want to invest in a Vechain. From the yesterday, the price of a Vechain is going positive, so people want to invest in a Vechain. So the people ask me questions about Vechain, that is it a good time to invest in a Vechain or not, my friend. So in this video I will tell my opinion. Keep watch, and please, before starting this video, I recommend for everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the Vechain in the market is 0.10905 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Vechain. On the other side, you can see here the last 1 hour, last 1 day pricing is going positive. Only the last 1 weekend pricing is negative, my friend. So as I told you in the start of this video, that from the yesterday, from the previous last 1 day, the price of Vechain starting jumping. So people want to invest in a Vechain, my friend. So people ask you that what you think about this jump, my friends. So you can see here, my friends, from the price chart, that is the last 1 day price chart of the Vechain. You can see here from this price chart, that's clear that Vechain price take a jump, falls down, then take a jump, falls down. And now if you look the average level change so in the Vechain, so you can see here falls down, falls down. The situation is going wrong, my friends. So that is why, my friends, if you want to invest in a Vechain, so please wait for after a few days you can invest in a Vechain. I recommend for everyone to after a few days you can easily invest in a Vechain. But now the currently situation, I think it's not a perfect to invest in a Vechain, my friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisory. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. What is your opinion about Vechain? Please tell me in the comment box, and make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends.